Firecracker Hill, Telluride. Firecracker Hill in Telluride. Baseball field over there. Little League. Nordic ski area out here.
Wait, hit me, hit me. What? Hit me. Wait, I'm pretend I'm running away. Hit me.
This kind of area is maintained for the Nordic skiing. It's like they come through here with some kind of plow.
I bet if you got those slides wet, you'd slide real fast.
Yeah. The water slide.
You have to stand up. Give me your hand.
That way.
Ow! Oh. You're truly just wiped out here. I don't think anybody knows or cares. But it's okay. I'm okay. You guys do, right? Alright, let's get up. Okay. Yeah, that was, totally didn't know that was there. That was something. Okay. I had this camera in my hand, so I had no way to.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Was it a swing bridge?
Yeah, I just, there was, you see that gray right there? The
Yeah.
gray? I just stepped on it. It was like the ground fell out from under me and it just free fell. And I had this in one hand, so I just plummeted. I got the whole, I got the whole, I got the whole thing on video, plummeting.
I want you to record yourself on another slide.
Okay.
Oh, my butthole.
All right, here we go.
Oh, my butthole.
Let's try to.
Be warned, you might fly off the slide, so.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go down this slide here.
We got it nice and wet for you. Be prepared.
Okay. I'm gonna put the camera in my left hand so I've got some stopping power.
I'm extra white riding it.
I wiped out going down that slide.
It's called wipeout.
Guys,
So you don't get stuck on the slide, you know? Enjoy. Attack me, get out of the way.
there's nobody down there, right?
Alright, you're good.
Oh, I'm okay.
You did like a double jump.
You all right. I'm okay. Why not?
Okay, you're too big.
Ooh,
I got it.
she's okay.
Oh. Okay, go find your brothers.
I like this one.
You want to ride this one?
I like this one.
It's the same one.
Daddy, get up. I like this one.
That's gonna be it for us here this morning at Telluride Town Park. Definitely worth a stop while you're here. A little bit warm, but nice out here. All right. Until next time.